Hey everyone, Jolo here, the featured developer at Reallusion. Today, I'm going to show you how to create custom tattoos using AI, and then apply them in Character Creator 4. We'll also explore using Photoshop to create normal maps for added realism. Let's dive in. Step 1. Generate AI tattoo. First, let's create a unique tattoo using an AI art generator. We'll use Firefly by Adobe for this tutorial. We could browse the style we needed as our body tattoos. Here, I choose this elegance white fish animation without background. Let's add the word tattoo into the sentence, and let's see the result. I think this too would be good for demonstration. Let's save it into a folder called Tattoos. Next, I'm going to prepare the necessary textures in Photoshop. I use the old version 22.2 Photoshop because the 3D filter in new version of Photoshop does not work anymore. Now, let's make 3 sets of textures in Photoshop. Step 2. Create textures in Photoshop. For the first set, I will first make the color black and white. It is because in CC4 Body Tattoo Editor, the black color would be transparent and the white color would be shown as tattoos. In order to maximize the effect of the tattoos, I would make high contrast of the image. Let's save it for later use. Next, I would make another set of tattoos. And this time I would set the color black or white, which would later become our roughness map. Again, let's save it for later use. Then, we go to 3D and choose Generate Normal Map and save it to later used. Finally, we uncheck the box namely Continuous and use the Magic Wand tool to remove the black color. If you are using new version of Photoshop, you could simply use AI to remove background. Once done, save it as our diffuse texture. Step 3. Apply the textures in CC4. In CC4, you could type tattoo to find any pack you have bought in the CC4. I use the Realistic Human Skin Pack, which is the skin gen pack created by Reallusion. Next, I apply the chest dragon tattoo by double-click the item. Under the Modify panel, choose Appearance tab and change the skin material from head to body. You would then find the tattoo we just applied. By double-click the base color box in the texture settings section, you can apply the textures which we created before. You could then change the brightness, blur, roughness, or even the normal intensity as you wanted. Let's see the result. Next, we apply the colorful heart with wings tattoo in the content browser. This time, you would see the complete texture slots in the texture settings section. Again, you could apply the base color map, which is the diffuse map we created before. Then, we could also apply the normal map and the roughness map in the texture settings. Now, you could try different combination to make your tattoos look cool. And you could even change the color of the tattoos. And you have done. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Comment below with what kind of tattoos you'd like to see next. See you in the next video.